The error code F72 in a Maytag washer indicates that the basket check routine has determined the basket is not correctly engaged in the basket hub, which is the most common cause of this issue. To resolve it, start by draining out the water from the washer, which can be done using towels and a bucket. Next, unplug the washer from the power source and remove the front panel by unscrewing the bottom under the washer door. Check if the basket is floating above the basket hub. Then, locate the filter cover in the panel, unscrew and twist it out, and clean any debris from the filter before putting it back. After reassembling the washer and plugging it back in, press the pause or cancel button once and start a new cycle to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be a more technical issue, and it is recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.